my dear students, welcome to Teachers Daily. I hope you all are able to follow my videos. Please support my channel by liking and sharing with your friends. If anybody still remind to subscribe my channel, please subscribe it also. Let's start with our fourth question. This is our fourth question. 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and cos A. Let's assume a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. It's given 15 cot A is equal to 8. You know that cot A is equal to 8 by 15. You know that cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. So how we can find tan A? Cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. That means tan A is the reverse of cot A. So we can take the reciprocal of this. So that time it will get 15 by 8. Therefore, we got the value for tan A, that is 15 by 8. So now we can substitute in this our triangle. So you know that tan means opposite to adjacent. So here you know that according to our reference angle, BC is the opposite side. Adjacent side means the side which contains reference angle and the 90 degree. So this is our adjacent side. So we found the value for tan A, that is 15 by 8. So we can substitute this in our triangle. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, A is our reference angle. You know that tan means opposite to adjacent. According to this reference angle, which one is the opposite side? You know that BC is the opposite side. And which side is the adjacent side? The side which contains reference angle and the 90 degree is known as adjacent side. So this side is our adjacent side. So now we can substitute our value. So opposite. So what is the value for opposite side? So 15 is our value for BC and 8 is the value for AB. So that means 15 is equal to BC and 8 is AB. So we got the value. Measurement of BC is equal to 15. Measurement of AB is equal to 8. From this triangle, you can understand that this side is missing. So how we can find this side? You know that this is the side. What we call this side? This side is hypotenuse. So what is the formula for hypotenuse? According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of base square and height square. So let's see what is the hypotenuse square. So what is base here? AB, AB square plus what is height here? BC. So hypotenuse is AC square. AC square is equal to what is the measurement for AB? 8 square. Then what is the measurement for BC? 15. 8 square means 8 into 8, 64 plus 15 square means 15 into 15, 225. That is 64 plus 225 is 289. So AC is equal to square root of 289, that is 17. So we found the value for hypotenuse. So let's see what is sin A and CK. You know that sin A means the ratio of opposite to hypotenuse. So what is opposite side? BC is our opposite side. And what is hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. What is the measurement for BC? 15 is the measurement for BC and AC is 17. So we found the value for sin A. So we have to find one more trigonometric ratio, that is CK. So how we can find CK? When you look at this trick, you can see only we can find 3 trigonometric ratios. So how we can find the next 3 trigonometric ratios? I already explained in my previous videos. If you are new to my channel, please watch that videos. Then only it will be really helpful for you. You know that the next 3 trigonometric ratios. Which are the next 3 trigonometric ratios? Cosec, sec and cot. Cosec, sec and cot are the reciprocal of sin A, cos A and tan A respectively. So from this what we can say? So CK is the reciprocal of cos A. So you know that CK is the reciprocal of cos A. So first we can find what is cos A. Cos means adjacent to hypotenuse. So what is adjacent here? AB is our adjacent side and AC is our hypotenuse. So what is the value for AB? 8 is the measurement for AB. And what is the measurement of AC? 17 is the measurement of AC. I said cos A is the reciprocal of CK. So how we can solve our CK? So CK means if we take the reciprocal of 8 by 17, you will get CK. So that means CK is equal to 17 by 8. I hope you got this question very clearly. You know that it's given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and C. I am using here Sokatova trick. I explained Pandit Badri Prasad Hare Bol trick also. Which one is easy for you that you can take. So here we explain Sokatova trick. So using this trick you can solve this question very easily. Cot A is equal to 8 by 15. You know that tan A is the reciprocal of 8 by 15. So that means what we got? 15 by 8. So tan means opposite to adjacent. So we substitute the value here. So after that we can understand one side was missing. So that also we found by Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem we got the third side, that is our hypotenuse. That what is the measurement of hypotenuse? 17. So after finding the three sides we can come to our question, that is sin A and CK. So you know that sin A is opposite to hypotenuse. So opposite to hypotenuse means according to this reference angle, BC is the opposite, AC is the hypotenuse. So we got the value 15 for BC and 17 for AC. And next we have to find CK. You know that reciprocal of cos A is CK. So cos A is adjacent to hypotenuse. So CK is hypotenuse to adjacent. So first we can find cos A using this trick. Cos means adjacent to hypotenuse. So we found the value 8 by 17. So when we take the reverse of 8 by 17, we got CK. So I hope you understood this question. So I am ending today's session. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Put valuable comments in the comment box.